Let us arrange the following integers in descending order. Solution. We start by writing down the number that has the highest value of this group of numbers in A. And the number with the highest value is 46, followed by 36, and then we have 34. Then 29. After that, 8. Then we have which number now? -4, followed by -12, and finally -18. Ensure that when you are doing a work like this, you take your time to look through from number to number. Tick the ones you have written down so that you do not make an error as you write them down. Now let's go to B. We also start here with the one with the highest value. Check number after number. Of this set of numbers, the one with the highest value is 94, followed by 87. Then we have 68, followed by 64. After 64, we are left with negative numbers. And then the one with the highest value is -15, followed by -28, then -37, and then finally -84. Arranging numbers can be very tricky, but ensure that you follow the flow. When it is in ascending order, you start from smallest to largest. But in descending order, like in this case, we start with the largest number to the smallest. Try this with other numbers. Thank you.